Pineapple sorting machines are the best in the world with the highest capacity. Such a machine like the one that we stand by can do about 30 tons per hour with very accurate weighing system and very accurate optic system that can separate by diameter, by length, by color, separate crown and crownless, and detect external qualities. Nobody else can get any numbers even close to it in the world, and this is the reason that all the leading companies in the world are coming to us for their pineapple machine.